Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I feel like filming and I'm gonna give you a quick sneak peek of what I do on my weekends. So here I'm cutting some tomatoes and I'm currently so obsessed with tomatoes for breakfast and for dinner actually. So I'm just having some bacon and eggs fried in olive oil in medium heat, and that's it. Bacon, eggs, and tomatoes for breakfast. I usually have just eggs and tomatoes, but today I have some leftover bacons in the fridge, so might as well use it. And it's the weekend, so I'm gonna have a little cheat day today. So here I stir fry the tomatoes. This is how I usually do it, to give it some flavors from the bacon and the eggs, and to make it a little softer, I guess. So I am now at the mall getting some souffle pancakes, which I have been craving this whole morning, and it's so good. It's amazing, and I'm having a really good time. This is what I usually do on weekends. I go to the mall alone and just have some fun. So I decided I wanted to get some matcha, and I found this cafe in SM Aura at the Sky Park, and it's so peaceful and I'm loving the vibe and the view. They actually have a really good matcha here. It's one of the best I've had. It's a Japanese cafe, so it just makes sense. I brought a book with me to have some reading time and chilling at the rooftop while getting some vitamin D, and I've had a really good time. It was fun and I loved it. Here's also one of my favorite things to do on weekends: go shopping when it's on sale. Only when it's on sale. To end the day, I went to get some groceries for supplies before I go home, and it's also one of my favorite things to do. It's so therapeutic. And here's a little Bible verse for you while I'm doing some stretches. And here's Will.